Some people may have about two life to share with you know. Seeing one with Rosealee, a different world dog, and a this up Shebada, wicked. So me I say cause Shebada come and this up the youth and him woman and the woman youth we always there on him. Seeing? So remember a cargo baby mother did come first and this up world dog and him woman then him take it back and then come back what they again. Come this up world dog and him woman and thing again. So it look like say Shebada see that and you know what I mean come this up the dog too. You see me? I don't know who I can go be a mother. If you don't know, you don't go and go search. I don't see who I can go be a mother. You see me? I say, but yeah, people, that we are going to share with you. Also, Mackerel. You see me? I say, Rosealee did a beat Mackerel before me start capture it. You see me? I say, so it's like Mackerel go say some things. You know what I mean? Bonella and thing. Say she must be there with Atto, Yan Lee and Shana Chinman. Yes, what I say. So Rosealee did a beat Mackerel for that. So at the first part when I got here, Rosealee attack and Mackerel. Rosealee did attack but so we are gonna kick it off with Rosealee and then we are gonna hear World Dog. You know what I mean? Cause him say some things to the people them we are bring him down upon the media from where they are. You see me send a message to them and we are gonna share that after Rosealee say what she said. You see me? So make we kick it off with Rosealee and then get in.
Who she desire? Someone stupid, you know? Stupid, bad. Cause I never know say a girl will go fuck somebody with them like or whatever you could have be a crime. Anyway now, moving right along. Moving forward. I was waiting on a particular person to come out after the whole trauma with Word Dog. I was waiting on Shebada, you know. And boy, Shebada, you know, me know you never gonna disappoint me. Me know you never gonna disappoint me. Cause me I wonder how you reach pan Yannick and Amir. Me I wonder how you reach pan Yannick or how you reach pan Amir. How you reach pan Yannick and how you dwell pan Amir. Because he's saying World Dog over him life I teach Amir to be just like him. That's what he's saying, isn't it? No more I know, you know, because me never watch out the whole light. So people tell me, because I don't know. What he's saying, him boots him up. Boots him up to do what? No. To be a child. So, if World Dog over him life, a Boots Amir to be just like him. Who did Boots? What is it? Talking, no man. Come never listen to the whole light. Somebody write it so I can read it quick now, please. What he's trying to say. Hello. What is World Dog doing? Because at the end of the day, what I see World Dog is doing with Amir, put away the internet, because you some of you bitches are crazy. I seen World Dog is playing a father role. Good evening, Miss Teacher A. Despite that, Amir does not have a father. He's playing that role. I don't never want to see that part there. How comes you don't see that part there? come some on the bitches pan up? Don't see that. What is the band between? Remember saying no? Put it on come ball out say no. We know put it on come ball out who breed Yannick. That's what she say. Amir doesn't have a father. I rarely get a man to do that. No, it's not his child. Still want to bond with the child. Because you love the calf, you have to accept it. For you love the cow, you have to accept the calf. All I'm seeing World Dog is doing is bonding with that child because the child does not have a father. There's no father figure in that child's life. That's all I see the boy I do. What's up, O'Neal? All me see World Dog I do I try to play a father role. Because Amir not have no daddy. And it take no for the man them not doing that. Enough of the man them in the world not even man will breed and get them own and pick them and play that role there, you know. Yeah. I want him know a female. My granny would have said if he never got any name on the call. I want him know a female, him not playing that role. Him not playing that role. So all y'all gonna say World Dog I train Amir to be like you. Then me want to ask you about who did train you to be like you?
Me not see nothing wrong with where the youth I do. I will World Dog I do around the youth. You see me I say the youth have fun. You see me I say that are the biggest thing. Him have fun. Him like where him see World Dog I do and him just run World Dog because him mother good as gone and I him a World Dog alone did it. You see me? So anything you see World Dog do, and World Dog nah do nothing bad. You see me I say? Nah do nothing bad. The youth a full joy, him look herself. You see me? Nothing wrong with that. You see me I say? And to all of the women them we are pre other woman and who the other woman them are there with and them yo, no leg of that bridge. Cause nobody now pray, you know. So I mean I feel like say the girl there with the youth them. You see me I say because Mackerel say the girl there with especially Atto. The woman Atto woman them cool. You see me I say? So why woman would I go there with that?
Because you want to say it start from somewhere. And the people over there laugh. Who did train you to be like you? Who did train you to be like you? Because since you're in a people business, daily, monthly, weekly, and such and that, you know you come class, but me not give a fuck. Who train you to be like you, Shebada? Who train you to be like you? Yeah? Because you go for the blood clot, the little boy. I just feel like that is just cute. He was a Yankee picnic and he would say, World Dog was to him say, what's wrong? I want to go. I'm scared. I want to tap it eyes, I eat that. What am I trading for though? Have fun? You don't see no sexual whatever encounterment there. You don't see none of that. But this is the thing when I like bury people. When I like bury people. Train a child to do what? I saw to come for my own them too. And talk all type of fuckery. Train the child to do what? What am I train the child to do? To just be a fucking child. Me I do my streaming. And he want to be around me. I mean, allow him. World Dog is just playing a father figure because I know the internet stay. And him not only like to class people and bury them down. But in spite all of that, him still will have Amir around him. You know reach my Amir. You reach panel na Yannick. You're sick. You leave a five of the World Cup and gonna people social problem. Some of you guys are some sick motherfuckers. You know, sick like how me here look. Motherfuckers on the internet. Because me not sick when me for dwell upon people name every day. Every day. And I believe that he's not on top. Shebada will never be on top. So you want to be on top, but you will never be on top. And you say you're talking the truth about what? Path can change. Path can change in life. Path can change in life. You're upon a path there, your path does change. All I'm seeing is that World Dog is trying to bond with Amir because Amir doesn't have a father. I don't see nothing else. I don't see nothing else. And the only reason why him did tell Ivan is say, take your 2 months to be able to have internet because she went in his business. She attacked him. So he was just defending himself in that way. You understand? A whole heap of time ex-guy them know say, World Dog tell Amir for go one side. You people know it. And people that watch him live daily know that he will tell Amir, the little boy go one side. All my girl like you. People watch him live and know him tell the little boy, go inside, go. And he said, no, I want to stay. I want to stay. No, I want to stay. You never hear it, you never hear it in a screen card. No, I want to stay, no. You never hear it in a screen card. No, wicked. When jealous a wicked girl error, some might find on the internet, some want no clothes, no aspect, no ambition, no goal. Me say blood clot, Martin, three of them take me on the screen card. Shebada have this going on and Shebada that going on. I don't see have not one fucking shit going on. Not one. I don't black that drunk crew. No, me not beard that I'm not beard. Me not beard that I'm not blood clot beard. Yeah. You don't have no one shit going blood clot and because me couldn't have my business to do. My problem them for do. And sit around and stick around for somebody else's business to arise. Somebody else's problem to arise to dwell upon it. No, someone wanna work out this shit blood clot from me, you know. Someone wanna work out this blood clot, tell me. Yeah. Find my old clothes. Someone wanna work it out blood clot, show me. Don't have no life. Me not look nothing for a World Dog. Me not look one shit but come off a blood clot boy name. Wanna take set pan blood clot people to me. Go look for no stinking mama. Every day World Dog like it annoying you fuck. It annoying you. It's annoying. It annoy me. It annoy me. World Dog. When I look Ivan, I say bumbo clot. I've got to really turn on back the phone and call back the person and say, let me a Netflix take a room, live that firm and I pay for the package. I say I can watch some sitting.
I understand the Rosealee as still, you know, but you are going. You have to know, say, some of them people, yeah, them just do them things, yeah, for entertainment. You see me, I say, for all the crowd. You see me? I know for the time them bring down other people, just for, you see me, I say, bring up themselves. But all they bring down what them feel like, say, them are bring down the people, them only I make more people I go over, go pre them things. You see me I say? Yeah. So as me say people, World Dog have some things we say. So after Rosealee done, me I gonna make on hear where World Dog have to say. You see me I say? Me feel like say Shebada is a person like this way. Him just talk about what him see a go on. You know what I mean? And just go and hold him crowd and hold him vibes. You see me? That is just my opinion still. But him cannot like the youth. That's why I'm do that still. You see me? So I want to tell me what you think. So I can watch some more.
World Dog, World Dog, World Dog, World Dog, World Dog. Swiss Lee. It's annoying. Sometimes I want to say in my mind, say, them people are sick, you know, because who really give a fuck about World Dog? Who literally give a fuck? Like, he's a human being, he's just a person. You man a God? So every bomb back at World Dog. World Dog. World Dog. And World Dog. And we're off, 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 Swiss Lee. I say, bumbo clot. Murder. No, me not diss him, you know. Me not diss him. But me tired to hear him name on it for you. I'm going to say the way the people have to make sense. Because these people are weird. Because if I don't like you, I got have nothing. I want shit to say. If I don't like you, I don't have shit to say. No. You don't call the boy name too much, man. All type of bloggers them say. World Dog. And if you hate him so much, why call him name? Poor Yannick, me say overcoming in a ship. Poor Yannick shit. Why are they gonna lie down and rest the baby? Eh? Why Yannick not go ride down, get one buckle of olive oil, and taste even one two cock, and lie down and rub her belly, and stretch out her blood clot foot and cock it up? Why Yannick can go over blood clot, Shebada life got type? The man on nobody. Me say in the comment section, you so have baby browning, relax a blood clot self. Them a pussy wall up on the internet now go stop drag. Them a pussy wall up on the internet now go stop drag. No care what your blood clot do for your World Dog there, me sorry. Them now go stop drag. No care what you do. How when you not say nothing, mama. Them now go stop drag. So you know my advice is to you, mama. Get one olive oil. And just olive oil that. Drink 2 cock. Throw some for your belly. And rub your belly. Yeah, just olive oil. See me have one here. Benjamins. Yeah. See me have one a baby. The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not. See me have one a baby. Yeah, I'm pregnant, I drink 2 or 3 cock. 2 cock I drink. Throw some for my belly and rub my belly. I got cock up my foot and lie down. Birth is near. You know where was some of them a shit house up on the internet? Because them not gonna stop. Them not stop. Because Shebada class, me not do him nothing. Me not know him from nowhere. We never met. And at no given time, me see him a talk about triplets. Me see my name there. At no given time, him no rest my name. Me not tell him to stop. But one thing I want to tell the people in Pantic that we as streamers, that's why when someone want to see me all around and talk about, oh, TikTok work. Why? If you know TikTok work, you wouldn't like to know. And if I want to upcoming TikTokers, me say I try for running it, you know. And trust me, I better someone will remain as a nobody. Because when you are in the leagues, in the higher leagues, dragons for days.
That part, yeah, me I go say something cause when Rosealee say a while ago, nah, son, you know what I mean? Me not like that. That coming like the people them with a foreign and you want go and them I go tell us say, yo, fire not now go on and way and this and you understand me I say? So why you know come off if you know want nobody else to come? You know, you understand me I say? But maybe oh me I pre it, I know. So she a pre it still. But that sound to me like the people them where they are foreign and you want to go foreign and them I go tell you say, no, you don't want to come up and them a place yeah, way, this and that. You know what I mean? Where people are company have to make something for themselves. You see it. And you there on TikTok and you make something for yourself. I know everybody I go fall in a certain things like the mix up and all them something. You know everybody. You see me I say you can forward and try it. If you make it. But these are some of the things where you are go deal with. You know what I mean? But more to tell nobody say, don't come here so what people are gonna feel like say, you know want them to make what you make. You understand me? So that are the only part of me I pray away still. So make watch some more and hear what Rosealee say.
All who no know you drag you. All who no know you drag you. For it was just dispute between him and Blood Clad. Brad first about the World Cup. Then me look in my heart or then me look. It does get messy. Nobody no trouble in Big K. Plus I talk about the whole World Dog story. Where me not look pan. Me can't, it fathoms me. And then you over the live I talk about Amir. Like who train you for be a batty boy? Remember how long time you a batty man, you know? Your mother never tell you say Shebada mother never tell him say exit is have no entrance. You can't walk a back go down no way. You can't walk a back door go nowhere in a life. Your mama never tell him that. Only want come out and dwell upon people. I want have on 2 cents, on 3 cents, on 5 cents, on 18 cents upon a people and them story. What about you? I'm keep on asking the silk over the years I saw your cranny. No X, nobody put no X here. This is not X-Cam, this is Dream Team. I believe that some of the people must leave World Dog alone. I don't business what kind of gang is here. No X here. No X in the comment, please. This is Dream Team. I mean, I look no friend from World Dog. But it annoys me to own a carry down the one person over and over and over and over and over. Now look no friend from Blood Clot World Dog. You like text it from people too much. You is a piece of shit. Let him bumble clap be. What them want be drunk or dog shit, mama man, sissy gal boy, make him bumble rascal stay. He must a human be like all of us. It's annoying, it disturb my cranium bad. Let him bumble clot boy man. Let him bumble clot boy man. Enough of we are fucked up ways now we as individual. No for we as individual are fucked up ways. Nobody type no X in this pussy clot. It's a dream team. Me not take no set on the right team name ya so. No X. You take set on people too much. Warm to the mouth in a big stinking blood clot hole. Sister girl if him do auto bad, him a auto a friend. We don't know when I'm gonna talk our shame. Leave that. If him want class auto and do auto bad, leave that. We don't know when I'm gonna turn back friend and do whatever blood clot shame on TikTok. We don't know when I'm gonna come to them agreement and them disagreement. And all up here all match. I see we a blood clot. And some of them dead in a years. Count enough. We not say that all the while. I whole part time me and girl and boy tear it down. And when me look at people ask me, yeah, them are different look at me and TJ. Or rock the cradle. We just a rock boat so. And when people see me and TJ talk like so long I pay my them, I say blood clot. Then when them two you turn back friend, it's not so deep as all no think, you know, no care about how deep we go.
When Rosealee said this a while ago, but Otto and her dog are the truth Rosealee attack. Alright. Let me just say this. I know so it goes still, you know, but let me just say this. Suppose Real Dog and Otto plan it. Suppose them plan it. Suppose them say them are going to cuss one another. You see what I say? Just look upon that. Remember, say Cheese come out of the year, you know, and Cheese say people give her funds for cuss them. You see what I say? So suppose Otto and Real Dog plan it for cuss one another. You see me? So not everything where you see I go jump and say, yo, wait, this and that and no. Sometimes you have to just, you know what I mean, watch where them are going with and you know what I mean, you can give your opinion if you want, but nobody get in it and it no it not have nothing to do with you. You understand what I say? So we can watch some more people. And then we are going to go over to Real Dog and what him say.
I believe that is the way how he expresses himself. Una beat. I just believe that is the way how he expresses himself. That una beat. And some of us express ourselves in many different ways. Some go loud, some go calm, and some not retaliate none at all. Me and him would go loud. Me and him are a loud person. Me and him are a loud individual. But suck your blood clap, mother. After me the blood clap, me and him loud. But all him a do I express how him feel. And in life, you have to understand a person to know who they are, where they're from, how to deal with them. And X can understand Real Dog perfectly well. Him is not a monster as well, someone say, which talk. Yeah. So your 3,000 you run me down for? And that's your papa. Yes, that's not nothing. You're still in the race. Ex-girl will out of your back, your foot lock.
Alright, so now here Rosealee C0Me people. Let me know what you think in the comment. We are going to go over World Dog, you know, and hear what he must say to the people them who are bring him down.
I just want to say thank you, people in 14 parish. And I mean, I was the first to do it. So I just want to tell you, I'm so very proud of this moment. Thank you. Thank you. Yes. Yo, shoot a video by weekend. Tell him again, you have to shoot a video by weekend. And you have to send a cameraman up here so and make him shoot a part when me bad mind. You want the video come out perfect, me G, come see it, you know. You want when the video come out, you have one piece of it when you catch me like a video man going on my brain and in the bad mind. So the part that when you catch in there now, it put it front of the video, and when it start, you see me did it so. So that shot and make a video sell more. That is it. See there? Eastman music. See Eastman music tell you there. So when I said so boom now and flip me this in a script, me drop in this now and play for me role. You put out the video, you versus hero. Video gone. Damn, me a genius, you know. Me a genius. Damn, me a just a genius, dog. How me come up with that? Me just genius. I'm just a raw band genius. Me say a song they make. I make one song too. No man, me have to make a song too. Me say that if you wake, me say this a while ago, me wake up if I cut me blood no run out of me. Chef, you just go me wake up if you cut me. Blood no run out of me. Me say me wake up yesterday. Me say me wake up Wednesday. The whole media talk about me. Tuesday, whole media talk about me. Wednesday, whole media talk about me. Yesterday. And today me wake up, nobody no remember me. That dog, more got foreign celebrity lifestyle now. More got foreign celebrity. Me can't take Jamaican. People steal out too quick. And me can't steal out so quick. Me have to keep up a bargain. Me have to keep up a bargain because if more no talk about me, people go to my page and me get all 10 cent more. And me get more views. Cause my page monetize, you know. So when you talk about me what here, I go put up one video now, you know, I bet say video now gonna reach 10,000 views in a 1 hour. Because when you stop talk about me, dog, and every video me post what I get 100k views. So when you talk about me, dog, me look cut over TikTok just grow, dog. And because the page monetize. So when everybody run to my page now, dog, and I watch my video them, dog, and they sit in the dog, me get a look of cut in my pocket.
Alright, so in a year earlier, like I say, in a year where I say, remember me say earlier on, what if World Dog and Atto plan say them a go cuss one another? Me nah say that happen still, you know. But what if that go on? So you can't to pre where them people are on social media do some of the time. You can watch it, yes, and you know what I mean, have your opinion certain way, but you can't take it to heart certain way. You see me? You have to just make them do them thing because you don't know if I plan it. So I just saw it thing go. You have to just, you know what I mean, take it for the entertainment and just know see how saw it go. Just like that. You see me? So make me know the thing people me I go watch some more and then we are gonna end it.
I know me wake up now today. Everything done, bro. It's come like, you know, rate my business. You know, support me again. Because me glad say, you know, wake up and go on my page. So my content can get little views. Hurt the feelings, you know, man.
That's my first. Ouch! Yeah. Oh no, you got like no room. Cause my daddy stuck on my daddy.
Hurt, man. Hurt.
Not come to me.
Please don't bring me down again. Boy, please come bring me down. Why would you stop bring me down? I'm here to stop bring me down in a one day. Why? Why? That bring me down so quick. Why would that bring me down so quick? Would you start back, please? Me I cry. Oi. Oh God. Boss lady, I need more my money. You need more my money too much. Me a ball and cry. No, brother. Hold on. Let me wipe my face with tissue. Hold on it. Hold on it. Brother, me a ball and cry. I this you call ball and cry. I this you call me a ball and cry. Me a ball and cry. Me a ball and cry. Me say, look here. Look here. Look here. Let me show you something. Look here. If you don't think I joke, me I show you something. Me I show you something if you don't think I joke, me I make. Look here. World Dog page. Look here. World Dog page. Look here. Me post this yesterday. 81K. 84K. Me post this 17 hours. 118K. Me post this yesterday. 118K. Me post this yesterday. 180K. Me post this. Me and Swissley almost 400K. Me post the documentary. All of them just go over there go run up here. So more to no go back over there. Go on. I want me can sit down and cuss and I get there, yeah. One day me can go cuss Gage. I one day me can go cuss Gage. Cause Gage, you want some money in it, you know, me have to cuss you, you know. Yeah man, one day me can go cuss you and say me can.
Alright, so people, let me know what you think in the comment section. You hear your man say when you bring him down, what go on for him. So no can't to pre them thing up on social media more while. You see me, we don't even know if them plan it, although what may I say, I just my opinion that still. You know what I mean? Me not say them plan it, but you can't to pre social media certain way. So let me know what you think, alright, so me I go end it.